dismount. I'm gonna head to the shop right now. We're gonna do that, start that, and then I gotta grab the BMW and have to do some shit for the Gambler next weekend. So, but we're gonna start with the tires. Also, please leave a comment down below on anything I should do better, anything different. I'm really interested in that, so do that. It's been a change of plans. We're heading to the boat launch. Well, I'm going to get the jet skis right now because we're gonna go jet skiing. Slight change of plans. We'll probably be back at the shop later. I might film a little bit of jet ski stuff, but nothing crazy. So that's what we're doing. Got the skis hooked up, and we're heading to the launch. Oh, definitely. So we just got back from jet skiing, or well, on our way back. But good time. I'll put some clips in here I got on the GoPro. Then it died because I left it on while we were eating. But yeah, people make mistakes, all right. But now I think we just might go hit the pool, and then we're gonna go to the our local circle track for what they got going on tonight. So might film some there, might not, but yeah, that's the plan. All right, so it's Sunday, and Jalen went and picked up this.
Jalen garage with a European piece of shit.
Jalen picked up this fine Volvo. We're trying to currently get the caliper off of it.
What the? Look at that.
Yeah, it's not really working out so well.
It's not working at all.
Yeah, we dragged the wheel all the way here, but you know.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
It's going.
Beat that shit.
It's going.
Yeah, Trey. Wait, you got it? Holy.
I am strong man.
Big strong man. Look at that. We're back.
Oh, yeah, that was your problem.
There we go. Big shit.
All right, so we're just gonna put this caliper back on with, you know, the very quality pads we got here.
Oh, those are the Duralast Extremes, bro.
Yeah, it's actually all fucked up like this because, you know.
Oh no, it's for like weight reduction.
That and it helps bite more. Like, you know what I mean? Like a nice flat pad wouldn't bite good, but like with all this,
Dude, it would bite and you would just whip your neck.
Yeah, like honestly, these were too good, so we had to get rid of them.
Yeah.
We're just gonna go take it for a test drive. The wheel is now spinning. So yeah, fucking Swedish garage. Yo, what, Jalen? That's the tool you decided to use?
No, it's not the tool. It's the antenna, bro.
Oh, that's the antenna. So we discovered something. If you ever need to fix your staticky radio, you just need a fork.
$5 life hack.
$5 life hack. Oh, kinda. I don't know.
It works. You gotta like.
I don't know what's going on.
Angle it like that way.
Yeah.
The radio antennas would come in like through that. Or just
Headed to the shop to go do some stuff to this junk. So I just finished up mounting and dismounting all of these tires here. About 8 tires, kind of sucked. Tire-wise, we should be good to go to the Gambler now. I'm gonna change the wheel and tire that's on the BMW right this minute because those are just some old junk tires. They're dry rotted to the moon and back. And just ones I had on there because the other ones were those ones, and yeah, that wasn't too good for the street. I also just want to double check the clearance because the 18s I've got right there are a 255/40 18, and I usually run a 255/35 18 on the back. But it's all I could find in Kenda's, and it's all I could find anywhere because everything's sold out, and yeah, you know. But I just want to make sure they clear the car and make sure they're all good and just make sure they fit well. So not rubbing the fenders too bad, you know. So I just got the rear tires on here. Back to the 18s here. Missing some center caps, but these are the ones that are a little bit taller, of 255/40 instead of a 255/35. She's definitely close. Definitely gonna rub some, but I'm gonna hope she's self-clearances. But overall, I think the car looks a lot better. The tires are a little more proportionate. Because before, the rears were kind of small compared to the fronts, the new fronts I got, because those are the only fronts I could really get that would work. But yeah, no, I think she's looking pretty good. While I have it up on the lift, I'm gonna change the oil too while I'm here. Might as well, can't hurt. So change the oil and then maybe call it a day. Not exactly sure. Gotta look at my list. So while I wait for that to drain, I'm going to fix this V-band clamp. It's loose, but it's stripped out here, so I'm going to try to pull it back off. Maybe put a spacer there. I don't know if it's the nut that's stripped out or it's the threads, so just going to pull that off and see if I can fix that while the oil is draining. So I fixed the V-band clamp. As you can see, that's the nut that actually tightens down on it. I just put that nut in there as a little bit of a spacer, because the threads on here were actually stripped out, so I just used some threads back here. But it works, it's solid, it's not turning anymore. So looks like the oil's just about done, so we'll throw the oil filter back on there and the bolt, and then we'll fill her up. Got the K10 loaded up with some tires that are mine and that are from the shop. So I'm gonna go dump these where we normally do, and we'll drop them off at the place to take some. Not actually dumping them, don't worry. But then I'm gonna grab some rear diff fluid for the BMW too. I'm gonna change it while it's on the lift and everything. Definitely could be used. Haven't done it all year, so worth doing it. Not too bad. Not too bad to do, and you know, not too expensive to do is my point. So we're gonna do that. Tires gone. Gear oil in hand, ready to go. All right, so I'm going to do this, get this top plug out of this diff, and as you know, typically the trunk floor is not bashed in like that. But you can do it if you have an Allen key. Actually, an Allen key would work best, but if you have a socket or something, you can put a wrench on there. I believe that's a 14 mil wrench, and therefore, you know, you save the room of the ratchet in here, and if you have a shorter one, it'd probably work better, but that is one way you can do it. Or if you don't care, you just bash in the trunk like I did. Well, that's all for today. I just finished doing the diff fluid and cleaned up all my tires and stuff. But that's all for today. I'm pretty damn beat from jet skiing yesterday, so go home and just relax on this Sunday. But probably have some more stuff later this week that I'm going to put on this video. But that's it for today. So see you later. Have a nice day.